Hey everyone, in this video we will see how to access Peacock through Xfinity. Stream on the app, TV and account linking guide. Step 1. Check your Xfinity plan. Make sure your Xfinity account is active, then check that your plan includes Peacock. Make sure your TV box is connected to the internet. Second one is activate Peacock. Open a web browser on your phone or computer, then sign into your Xfinity account. Find the Peacock offer, click activate. Third one is set up your Peacock account. Enter your email address, then sign in if you already have a Peacock account. If you don't have one, create a new account. Finish the setup. Fourth one is open the Peacock app. Turn on your TV and Xfinity device, then press the Xfinity button on your remote. Open apps and select Peacock, or press the voice button and say Peacock. Fifth one is sign in. Select sign in, then enter your Peacock email and password. Then if you see an activation code, follow the instructions on the screen to complete the sign in. Then sixth one is start watching. Open the Peacock app, then choose a movie, TV shows or live channel. Then press play to start streaming. Thanks for watching.